Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is me, your consistent YouTuber. 3 दिन से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं, तुम मेरे को भी ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते. Anyway, to be honest, ये मेरे गेम खेलने का टाइम है. रात के 2 बजे हैं, बट जिसके साथ मैं गेम खेलता हूँ उसके घर का लाइट चला गया है, so वो सो रहा है and I can't do shit about that. So मैं सोचा क्यों टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, चलो वीडियो ही बना लेते हैं. And I thought of making a tier list video because ये सिंपल है, कुछ एफर्ट नहीं चाहिए इसमें, बस बैठ के कैटेगराइज करते रहो तुम चीज़ों को. That's it. So I thought let's go down the memory lane and talk about some wholesome cartoons which we really used to enjoy during our childhood. Yes, back in our childhood things were really very simple. किसी को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Bro, इसमें कॉमेडी किधर है? अरे bro, हंसना था किधर? हंसना तक मेरे को, हैं? अरे काफी funny कर दिया. Now kids will literally say this stuff to Shinchan or Doraemon, for fuck's sakes. We didn't used to let society set boundaries for us to decide if something is funny or not. That's what's happening today, you know. Okay, मैं बहुत बकवास कर लिया. Let's move straight into the tier list now. Okay, so इधर लिखा है this is an Indian cartoons tier list, but technically इधर सारे cartoons included दुनिया भर के. American हैं, Japanese हैं, anime सब हैं इसमें. So basically this is an Indian's childhood cartoons tier list type of thing. So okay, after this don't attack me with अरे ये तो इंडियन कार्टून है ही नहीं, इसमें तो एनिमे भी है, हमारा फेवरेट एनिमे को तू इंडियन कार्टून कैसे बोला, तू चूतिया है. ठीक है, मैं चूतिया हूँ, ये टियर लिस्ट चूतिया है, बट मैं और कुछ कर भी नहीं सकता. ओके, सो फर्स्ट अप वी हैव किम पॉसिबल. वेल ओके, I'll straight give it an S just because of that beautiful mustache. Like nothing can beat that mustache. It's just beautiful and I had a big crush on her just because of that mustache. So Kim Possible is a straight S, no doubts. So Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Most of the kids really enjoyed this cartoon, but मेरे को पसंद नहीं था. I used to watch it just for the sake of watching, but you know, it didn't have the vibe. But since this cartoon has Donald Duck, I really love Donald Duck. That's why I will give it a B. And also the meme, we have a secret tool which we will use later. I like that meme. So yeah, Mickey Mouse B tier. Okay. And what is this? What the fuck is this? Is this the character from Chota Bheem? इसका एक independent series था ना? Mighty Raju. Okay. Mighty Raju. Is that it? Mighty, yes. This is Mighty Raju and it's from Chota Bheem. So definitely it's trash. I fucking hate Chota Bheem. I used to hate Chota Bheem. I never watched it because it was fucking garbage. I was never at all interested in Chota Bheem, so I'll give Raju shit tier as well. Moving on, we have Ninja Hattori. Okay, Ninja Hattori, Doraemon, परमैन, ये सब सेम टाइप के कार्टून्स है. ओके, सेम, लिटरली सेम. ओके, नॉट कार्टून, एनिमे. ओके, एनिमे वही सेम टू सेम. 4-5 मेन कैरेक्टर्स रहेंगे उधर, एक मोटा, एक छोटा, एक नर्ड और एक स्मार्ट और एक डम फक रहेगा और एक लड़की रहेगी. बस थोड़ा सा ऐसा इतना सा फेमिनिज्म भी इधर ऐड कर देते हैं मिक्सचर में और एक लड़की डाल देते हैं, नहीं तो लड़कियां नहीं देखेंगे ना, खराब लगेगा उनको. सो या एक लड़की रहती है, ऐसा रहता है बेसिकली पूरा प्लॉट सीरीज का. और वो डम फक रहता है मेन कैरेक्टर सारे सीरीज में. एनीवे, सो निंजा हथौड़ी, आई रियली यूज्ड टू एंजॉय दिस कार्टून. बहुत मजा आता था. वो especially the ninja star shaped P. That was so fucking dumb. निंजा है तो निंजा स्टार शेप में मूतेगा. So yeah, निंजा कॉन्सेप्ट को इतना अच्छे से यूज करने के लिए मैं इसको बी टियर में रखूंगा. निंजा थोड़ी बी टियर. ओके, I don't really remember the name of this cartoon, but ये बहुत फन कार्टून था. मैं यार, like it's almost at my tongue, but I can't remember that cartoon. मैं इसका क्या सर्च करूं? Skeleton Man cartoon. Let's see. Skeleton Man, blonde girl, big nose character. character cartoon. Yeah, that. Okay, I got it somehow. Dude. Billy and Mandy. Yes. Now I remember. It's fucking Billy and Mandy. That girl's name was Mandy. Billy and Mandy. The Adventures of Billy and Mandy. Yes, this cartoon. Fucking loved it. Okay, anyway. This cartoon बहुत मजा आता था ये काफी अच्छा था okay it was a fun cartoon and since I don't remember much I put it in B tier because it was fun but I don't remember much so I can't explain anything else. Then we have Phineas and Ferb, legendary, GOAT. Phineas and Ferb, GOAT. This is literally Phineas and Ferb is literally one of the best cartoons I've ever watched as a kid or also now. Not because of Phineas or Ferb, but because of Doofenshmirtz and his scenes with Platypus Perry. Those were fucking amazing. And it was really a very entertaining or very like Phineas and Ferb really kept me hooked into the cartoon and it was really fun. I would still watch Phineas and Ferb now. It's that great. It's not just a childhood cartoon. It's an all-time favorite. Next we have Ben 10 Alien Force. Alien Force and Ultimate Alien include करके ये वाला बोलते हैं. So Ben 10 was really a great cartoon. बहुत unique concept लेके आया था ये like एक gadget, एक Omnitrix मिल जाएगा एक random बच्चे को and now he has the strongest gadget in the whole universe, strongest weapon. And he can turn himself into whichever aliens he wants. At first there are only 10 aliens, then it keeps on increasing. We also saw Ben 10,000 and that was definitely not his adult form as we see in Ben 10 Alien Force. But Ben 10 was really fucking great and then comes Ben 10 Alien Force. Well, Alien Force was not as good as Ben 10 but Alien Force was still very good. Alien Force with the concept of Ultimatrix was really very nice. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. मैंने सारे एपिसोड्स देख रखे हैं and Ben 10 had that different kind of vibe from all the other cartoons I watched. But as I said, Ben 10 is the real GOAT, so उसके सामने Alien Force को उससे नीचे रखना पड़ेगा. So I will give Alien Force an A or B. I'm really confused right now. I don't know. I'll give Alien Force a B. Okay. I'll give Alien Force a B and Ben 10 an A because since I'm keeping Ben 10 at A, that's why I'm keeping Alien Force at B. Otherwise, Alien Force also deserves to be at A. But I can't put Ben 10 at the same level with Phineas and Ferb. I'm really very sorry. And then there came Ben 10 Omniverse and whatever other shit Ben 10 there were, they really fucked up. They really fucked up after Ultimate Alien. It was literal trash. It was so bad. It was so fucking bad that I would rather watch the cartoon that comes in between the musics in the 9X or 9XM, whatever shit that was, the music channel, the little cartoon, the chote mote. I guess that's what their name was, and they used to say stupid jokes. I would rather watch that than watching Ben 10 Omniverse. And I'm not even kidding. This was so bad. I will legit put it in F tier. It's shit. It's worse than shit. Give me a tier which is worse than F. I would put it there. So next we have Chor Police, another Indian cartoon which is again not that great. Okay, Chor Police was good. Like मैं पहले बोला Mickey Mouse के लिए देखना होगा तो देखूंगा. Just watching it for watching sakes, nothing else. Like कुछ और नहीं होगा. कुछ और नहीं हो रहा टीवी में तो मैं I would rather watch Chor Police. So yeah, वो level का है Chor Police. It was not that entertaining, but it was not that bad as well. So yeah, let's give it a C. Role number 21, straight shit. Nothing else to talk about it. It's garbage. मैं टीवी चालू करता था, मेरे सामने मैं कार्टून नेटवर्क चलाता था, मेरे सामने रोल नंबर 21 आता था, मेरा मूड पूरा स्पॉइल हो जाता था. I really despise this anime. Not anime, I'm really sorry. I really despise this cartoon. I really fucking hate it. I wanted to fucking throw my TV on the floor as soon as I see this cartoon. Well, कभी किया नहीं because मम्मी मारेंगे obviously, but ऐसा मन होता था. This cartoon was that bad. Looney Tunes, अरे Looney Tunes, I remember that मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था, although कोई एपिसोड मेरे को याद नहीं उसका. I also remember playing a game of Looney Tunes made by Sega back in the time, and it was really fun. I don't exactly remember anything. यार मेरे को याद क्यों नहीं रहता कुछ बचपन का यार, मेरा बचपन के इतना गंदा था. मेरे को लगता है बाबा जी का चूरन खाना पड़ेगा to make my memory sharper. So yes, मेरे को जितना याद है मेरे को Looney Tunes मजा आता था, but I don't remember anything. So yeah, B tier. Mr. Bean, animated one straight up A tier because मैं और इसमें मैं देखा original वाला भी है. I would definitely put it in S tier, and animated one was good. It was too good. बहुत मजा आता था. But it can still never reach the original level, the level of acting of the original Mr. Bean. And so yes, I will have to put it in A tier, but अगर ये वाला नहीं होता इधर तो मैं definitely S tier में put करता. So yeah, Mr. Bean, loved it. बहुत अच्छा था. Mr. Bean का animated वाला भी बहुत funny था. So yeah, that's why it's an A. So next Mr. Bean ही रख देते हैं ना straight S अभी, because उसके बारे में बात कर ली है. Mr. Bean straight S. Do I even need to explain why I kept Mr. Bean on S tier? It's really very simple. Mr. Bean is the GOAT. It was my whole childhood. मैं बहुत देखो Mr. Bean. I had a DVD which has the 4 or 5 series or something which consisted of episodes of Mr. Bean. और मैं उसको repeat में देखता था, रोज देखता था. मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था. So yeah, Mr. Bean is definitely an S tier for me. Next we have Best of Luck Nikki. Well, Best of Luck Nikki मेरे को जितना याद है मैं मम्मी के साथ बैठ के देखता था, and it was really very fun and family friendly show. Well, family friendly तो सारे कार्टून्स है, बट मैं ये family friendly इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because बाकी कार्टून्स मम्मी के साथ बैठ के नहीं देखता था. ये वाला मम्मी के साथ बैठ के देखता था, जो मेरी फैमिली है. So this is family friendly. That's my definition of family friendly, okay? So yes, it was fun. It had its bad parts, but it was fun. So C tier, yeah. Best of Luck Nikki, C tier. Chota Bheem, okay. I've already talked about it. I don't want to say more because it's such a waste of time. That cartoon is a waste of time. Talking about that cartoon is a waste of time, for fuck's sakes. And it was trending in 2020. Chota Bheem, what's that name? Chutki. Chutki was trending on Twitter #1 in India in 2020. For no fucking reasons. More reasons to hate that cartoon, nothing else. Do I even need to talk about Tom and Jerry? Tom and Jerry? ऐसा एक बच्चे का नाम बोलो जो टॉम एंड जेरी नहीं देखा है, या ऐसा एक एडल्ट का नाम बोलो. अपने मम्मी पापा से पूछो वो अपने बचपन में टॉम एंड जेरी देखे या नहीं. टॉम एंड जेरी लेजेंडरी. टॉम एंड जेरी द गोट, ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम, लेजेंड. इसको मैं एक्चुअली ये पहले रखूंगा. इसको एस टियर के ऊपर एक टियर तो टॉम एंड जेरी उधर जाएगा. टॉम एंड जेरी इज दैट गुड. ओके, टॉम एंड जेरी इज दैट गुड. आज भी एंजॉय करता हूँ. इंस्टाग्राम में एक पेज है टॉम एंड जेरी नाम का, मैं उसको फॉलो करता हूँ. उसकी क्लिप्स आज भी देख के आई एंजॉय लाइक द सेम I get the same enjoyment like I used to get when I was a little kid. Johnny Bravo, of course, the biggest wannabe fuckboy. It was good. The cartoon was good. The cartoon was funny. The karate chops were funny. So yeah, Johnny Bravo. Let's see. It's not that great to come in Mr. Bean or Ben 10 level, but it's not bad either. It's great. It's great. So we'll just keep it in B. Hero Shakti hi bhakti hai. Well, now that I see it, it's fucking retarded. But when I used to be a kid, I used to cosplay that guy. I didn't know what cosplay was, but I used to cosplay. मैं वो पापा का टाई लाके ऐसा हाथ में बांध देता था, and I used to pretend that this is his gauntlet. And I used to pretend to be Bhakti, what was his name? The protagonist, okay? I used to pretend to be the protagonist and I used to wear a ring. I used to love this cartoon so much that I went out with my mom to a shop to buy a Durga Ma photo frame, which is still in my house for some reasons. So yeah, I used to love this as a kid, so let's put it in video, okay? Let's put it in video. Dora the Explorer. Do I need to talk about why this is the shittiest cartoon I have ever watched? This cartoon was all about, क्या तुम्हारे माथे पे चूतिया लिखा हुआ है? फिर से देखो, थोड़ा क्लोजली देखो, ऐसा सेल्फी लेके फोटो में जूम करके देखो, क्या तुम्हारे माथे पे चूतिया लिखा हुआ है? हाँ, दिखा लिखा हुआ है ना? हाँ, लिखा ही होगा. तुम ये शो देख रहे हो तो तुम चूतिया ही होगे. Dude, I fucking hated that show. I would never watch that show. I would rather watch Motu Patlu. I shouldn't cross that line. It's gonna get me in trouble, really. So next, I guess this is Diego or something, and he's also related to Dora. I guess he's the cousin of Dora. Fuck, मैं इतना कुछ क्यों जानता हूँ Dora के बारे में? What is wrong with me? So anyway, this is related to Dora. I would have to give it the F tier. And next we have, what is this? What the fuck is this? ये देखा लग रहा है मेरे को. अच्छा हाँ, ये दोनों कुत्ते भाई थे और ये चूहों को दौड़ा रहे थे. Right? That was the cartoon, right? I don't remember the name. Yeah, this was the same like Augie and the Cockroaches, except उधर बिल्लियाँ cockroaches दौड़ा रहे थे, इधर कुत्ते चूहे दौड़ा रहे हैं. Great? इस वाले को मैं दूंगा C tier and Augie को मैं दूंगा B tier because मैं Augie and the Cockroaches बहुत देखता था. I really used to love the dubbing. उसमें like शाहरुख खान, अक्षय कुमार, बाबूराव, मैं बाबूराव ही बोलूँगा. बाबूराव भी था. So it was really fun to watch Augie and the Cockroaches. So I will put it in B tier. Perman will go to C because I didn't enjoy Perman as much as Ninja Hattori, but Perman was good. It's not bad. Come on, Perman is not bad. It definitely doesn't deserve to be with these, but yeah, Perman doesn't deserve to be with them either. I will actually also bring Mickey Mouse down here. Mickey Mouse doesn't deserve to be here. I will be very honest. But and so Perman was actually a nice concept. Okay, Perman was a very nice concept. Perman had that unique thing, that robot thing, which like तुम उसका नाक छूओगे तो तुमको वो तुम्हारा क्लोन बन जाएगा, and that concept was really nice. So उसके लिए I want to put it in B tier, but मेरे को C में रखना पड़ेगा because it is not as good as Ninja Hattori. Ninja Hattori बहुत मजा आता था, and Perman उसके competition में कुछ नहीं है. Simply Kemonache is probably the best Indian cartoon I've ever watched. It was so fucking funny. This guy, this monkey was very funny. Nah, not इसके level का तो नहीं है. So yeah, B tier. Let's say B tier. Power Rangers. Okay, who doesn't like Power Rangers? Power Rangers was a really fun show, although इतना dumb concepts है Power Rangers में, but पता नहीं कि बचपन में बहुत मजे आते थे because it was something close to actual movies or actual series we used to watch as a kid. I guess that was it. This is Power Rangers SPD. मेरा one of the favorite था Power Rangers SPD at the time. So I will give it an A tier. I will give it an A tier because Power Rangers was everyone's favorite. Come on, Kid and Cat was really fun to watch cartoon. Like बहुत fun था. That kid versus the cat. बहुत यूनिक वे में वो लोग फाइट करते थे एक दूसरे के साथ, एंड इट वाज फन टू वॉच. ये भी शायद डिज्नी एक्सडी में या जेटेक्स पे देता था. सो आई हैवंट वॉच्ड मच, बट ये मेरे को याद है मैं कुछ एपिसोड इसके देखा हूँ. सो आई विल गिव इट अ बी बिकॉज ये it was funny the way it was put, the animations, everything was fun to watch. So yeah, this is clearly a B. SpongeBob will go to S tier because why not? It's SpongeBob. Come on. SpongeBob is still trending in 2020. Everyone knows about SpongeBob and everyone loves SpongeBob. ऐसा एक बंदा बता दो जिसको SpongeBob पसंद नहीं, and I would recommend him to go get a checkup or something. SpongeBob has given us some of the best memes we have today. That's why it definitely deserves to be in the S tier. Next we have two anime. Pokemon A tier, of course. Pokemon was a really fun cartoon. Anime. Cartoon. We called it a cartoon. So Pokemon is a cartoon. बचपन में मैं रैंडम एपिसोड्स लाइक टीवी में रैंडम ही देता था. एक ऐसा सीरीज इतना चूतिया था ना, हंगामा. उधर कुछ एपिसोड दे देता था एक सीरीज का, एंड देन वो गायब हो जाता था. फिर कहीं और कोई और आर्क का कोई और 2 एपिसोड दिखा देता था, एंड देन बैक टू फर्स्ट आर्क का फिर स्टार्टिंग का एपिसोड्स. That's how much retarded Pokemon and Hangama's relation was. So मैं ये completely कभी देख नहीं पाया था बचपन में, but बड़े होने के बाद मैं डाउनलोड कर करके देखा है Pokemon. And I've watched many seasons of Pokemon and I really love it even now. Pokemon is easily an A tier, and then Beyblade is also an A tier. Beyblade has too many memories. Beyblade में इतना खेला मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, मेरा इतना बड़ा कलेक्शन था Beyblades का, किसका नहीं था मेरे को बताओ. तुम कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कितना Beyblade खरीदे हो जिंदगी में. Anyway, here we are talking about the entire Beyblade in general, so I will keep it in A tier. Shaktiman. I would have put Shaktiman B tier if it were not for the statement which he gave recently. After what he said, he definitely deserves to be in S tier. The golden words. Oh my god. Wonderful words spoken by Shaktiman. True feelings of every Indian man. Right? So yeah, Shaktiman definitely deserves to be on S tier. Goku, Dragon Ball Z, okay, not Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Super or anything. Here the pick is from Dragon Ball Super, but in our childhood, Cartoon Network में mostly Dragon Ball Z देता था. बाद में Dragon Ball Z देने के बाद, like in middle, वहाँ पे एक advertise आया था, मैं देखा था, मेरे को I remember. ड्रैगन बॉल जी से पहले आता था ड्रैगन बॉल. क्या आपको मालूम था? अबे मालूम कैसे होगा, तुम पहले ड्रैगन बॉल जी दिखाए, घंटा नहीं मालूम. एज अ कार्टून दिस वाज रियली क्लोज, दिस वाज रियली वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड आई रियली यूज्ड टू वॉच इट एवरी डे. 9 या 10 बजे देता था शायद ड्रैगन बॉल, एंड मैं रोज देखता था. शिनचैन easy S tier. Shinchan S tier, that's it. अभी दे तो Shinchan, मैं दिन भर बैठ के देखता रहूंगा. I love Shinchan that much. The Hindi version, the only Hindi dubbing I love in my life is Shinchan. इसका डब इतना अच्छा था, इसका डब इतना ज्यादा अच्छा था, इतना फनी था ये Shinchan. मैं बचपन में हंस के सोफा से गिर गया था. आज भी मैं सोफा पे बैठ के देखूंगा तो गिर जाऊंगा. मेरे को फनी लगता है. Okay, I can't help it. मेरे को बहुत फनी लगता है Shinchan. Doraemon, A tier. Like Doraemon is a great show. Okay, Doraemon मैं बचपन में बहुत मैं क्या every Indian has watched all the versions of Doraemon in their life, and it's fucking great. But I will never keep it in the level of Shinchan because Shinchan का अलग ही level था मेरे लिए. I know many people prefer Doraemon over Shinchan, but I will never do that. Because Doraemon is kind of repetitive when you see it. Okay, Shinchan भी repetitive है, but not as much as Doraemon. इसमें वही था हर एपिसोड. नोबिता जियान से अपनी चुदा के आएगा and then Doraemon मेरी मदद करो, जियान ने गांड मार दी. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole part. So yes, that's it for the video and I hope you enjoyed it. अगर तुम्हारा ओपिनियन कुछ डिफरेंट है इससे तो तुम वो कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बता सकते हो. Although I will not consider it because फायदा ही क्या है, मैं ऑलरेडी बना चुका हूँ इसको. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, check out my other videos, and if you like them, then do subscribe. I'll be going for now. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Just hit the bell icon so you can get notified for my next video. Peace.